Let's Kaspersky. Boyd game. Anong user kayo? Trio tayo. Ano ako mage? Nana. Nana hanggang mamatay. Nana Vexana. Louie. Hi, Jules. Sino yung mga ginagamit ko? Jules, kamusta ka na? Balangan na mga babos. Enjoy your Christmas. Hello. You touch my... Ano user ka, Kiel? Follow mo. Nanad ko. Oo, follow kay kanya med. Ano user? Hindi ko kabisado yung username ko sa Facebook eh. Gaddy the Great. Where can I see the Great? Ay, ang dami niyo parang nag-ML. The Great Angel. Where's the angel? You touch my knees. Can I follow you? The Great? Isa lang yung kaya baka mas mong sa akin. Hindi, nag-ano lang ako, nana lang. Mage lang ako. Maldito. Bano ako I feel happy. I don't have a hobby eh. If I have a free time, yan. Cellphone. God did agree. Thank you so much. Thank you. You're so great nga. I thought you're not a great. Happy to star. Hindi naman to star ba yan? Ay, oo nga pala. Akala ko kasi kanina Aitana. Wait, tingnan mo Aitana. You're the one that never let me be. Irfan. Chumamay. Chumaso. Ba't niyo ako bigyan ng handa niyo, guys? Hi, Roy. Coffee break. Handsome. Sige. ML tayo, guys, later. Kuya Kian, ikaw din. Ronnie. ID niyo yung send niyo kasi hindi ko kabisado yung ID ko. Classic lang. Baka trash token niyo ako. Banu-banu ka. Rebanding. No, I'm not. I'm not rebanded. You're the one that I will let me see. The Great. Where are you from? Hi, Hex. By profession? Fashion designer. Really? Where are you from? Salamat, idol. Do, si Shine. Paano yun nagagawa yun, no? Ang kupal yun naman. Pero nagpasalamat siya. Sige, Kuya Kiel, thank you so much for staying. Thank you so much. Happy holiday. Enjoy the rest of your day. Ate, yes, Spain. Ano daw? Follow mo ko. Ganyan yung pangalan. Tapos magpa-follow mo ka sa akin. Good night, Kuya Kiel. You're the one. I'm the si Dams. My pleasure na first. Thank you so much.